Another row on top of that?
Yeah. Like I said right here. Like if I put more up there and stack it up, it will fall off. So the 45 angle is too steep. I need to turn it down a little bit, tilt it down a little bit more, so that I can put more up there.
Honey, I love you. You spoil me so bad. I'm so spoiled.
You know, I wasn't trying to spoil it, you know, I just like making stuff. So.
I think you were trying to.
I was just making some stuff I like making. Stuff.
So my baby made this for me for the bath bombs. Today. He made this today, real quick.
It's not finished. I gotta put on the finishing touch. But
it's beautiful.
so you know,
It's so beautiful.
If it will work, how it will look.
So you guys, Nigel made this afternoon. He made this out of some pieces of wood. He brought some pieces of wood home. And then voila. I love it so much. So you're gonna make some alterations to it. What do you guys think? Anybody there? What do you guys think about the new bath bomb shelf? Anybody there? Can I see anybody's comments? Hold on. Somebody say something.
On Instagram?
No, I'm on Facebook. But it looks like there's people on there, but I don't know. Nobody said anything. Isn't that so pretty? And then the shelves come out.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful, babe. I love you, babe. You're the best in the whole wide world. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, guys. Have a good night. Bye-bye.